I'm a medical aesthetic sales rep in the injectable space, and here's what all my plastic surgeons and med spas are talking about this week in clinic. This week is a pregnancy edition, so if you're pregnant or you know somebody that's pregnant, send this or save this. First things first is hydrogen water, specifically the Miranda Kerr brand water bottle, which I now looked up and I think I need. Also, we're talking about the Symbiotica. There's, I guess, like little tablets that you can put in your water bottle. The reason that they are saying that this is something that you should be using, not just pregnant, but anybody should be using, is because it reduces oxidative stress within the body, reduces inflammation, and helps recover quicker. Boosts skin health, and then improves hydration, which the improves hydration I think is like the hardest thing for me. I drink as many as I can of these, but I'm on the road all day. So if you're somebody that's like kind of struggling, specifically pregnant and struggling to get as much water in, this might be a solution for you. Also because it's so important from like a skin health perspective. When your body is growing and stretching, we need to keep that hydration in the tissue. So this might be like one of my newest exciting hacks that I'm going to start using. Okay, second, this is, I feel like, a known one, but it's depuffing, specifically with like ice rollers. I love my Skinny Confidential one, and but essentially it helps with depuffing the face. Most of us are retaining that water more as the pregnancy progresses. So this helps kind of like clear the lymph, gets you ready for the day, and depuffs. Okay, third, I live and die by this, is peptide-based skincare. So I personally use Alastin. I think they have the best clinical results. But why they think that this is important during pregnancy is that you're not getting injectables and you can't really get treatments. So this helps with boosting elastin, boosting collagen, improves fine lines and wrinkles. And I used this my entire last pregnancy, and I literally just went out to dinner with some colleagues, and they were like, when was the last time you got Tax? And it was June of last year. So I think it's doing my skin pretty well. Okay, there's two left. So the next one is red light therapy masks. I have loved mine for a few years now, but they were specifically saying, again, for that texture, to help boost collagen, because you can't get procedures done during this time. This is a nice way to like slow down the inflammation within your tissue, also help produce and boost that collagen production. Specifically, the ones that they were talking about was the Omnilux. Specifically, they also were talking about the Omnilux version of the red light therapy mask because of the specific wavelengths that they have within their mask. And then also higher dose was another one. And then I heard the PMF matte from higher dose is absolutely incredible for pain and inflammation, specifically in the lower back or later on in the pregnancies. Last but not least is using PRF in some form. So I have